This is Gary Guyman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
We are in a 10-episode series on Dominate Your Market in 90 Days. A step-by-step guide to grow your revenue. It's a book I wrote in September of 2019. If you want to buy the book, the link is in the show notes below. Click on it. Go to Amazon. You can get the paperback or the Kindle. Get the book. Follow along. We're in Chapter 6 today, Skill Building, Live Video. A little forerunner to this chapter. I built my following in 2017. February of 2017, I started building a following on social media that eventually became this business in November of 2017, 9 months later. But I built that following from doing live Facebook video. I remember being asked after I did about 2 or 3 of those videos, hey, what's your goal here? What are you trying to accomplish? I don't know yet. I'm just going to put out content, see what happens. 9 months later, we started this business. Chapter 6, skill building, live video. Getting comfortable doing live videos on Facebook and YouTube will help to quickly increase your success. Unfortunately, the only way to get comfortable doing live video is just do it. Here's the process I follow before and during live videos. Have a specific subject to discuss. Do the video in a well-lit space or with minimal glare. In the first 10 seconds of the video, introduce yourself and the topic. Engage the audience. Answer their questions. Ask them questions. Ask for likes while you're live. The more engagement during the video, the more likely your video will appear in other people's feeds, which increases your reach. Ask the audience to share the video to their page. Ask the audience a question and put their answer in the comments. Be consistent and do live videos daily. For video ideas, look at online forums where your customers ask questions about your services. Answer the questions posted on your social media profiles about your services. Introduce a new service. Show your company's growth. Discuss engaging items regarding your community. There isn't a rule to what you should or shouldn't post. Just be entertaining, engaging, or educational with your videos, and you'll be successful. Like I said, live video is critical. Do live video. If you haven't done live video yet, commit today to start doing live video. Do live video, you'll dominate the day.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.